is going to be none other than Jeremy Melique,
the current FISE World Champion. He won that title in 2017 in China, in Nanjing. And you can see why. Huge 900 here on the camel bump. You've never seen anyone spin that much on this one, and for good reason. Missed the flip, fully inverted here on the step up. Jeremy is one of those riders who can combine both really technical grinding, as you can see here, 450 disaster kind grind. He gets it every single time and still can spin 1260s and 900 like it's nothing. Really incredible rider. And also a young dad. So he can apparently find some time to train still and put together crazy runs here for you, dear viewers, and for the crowd of Montpellier.